on to the next topic, that is subset sum problem. In the name itself it is there, subset sum. You have to just get the sum of all the subsets, is it not? Here in subset sum problem we need to find a subset of a given set. See, for example, if I have a set S1, S2 till Sn, first you need to find the subset, okay, of n positive integers, and then you have to find the sum which is equal to a given positive integer d. Okay, I'll just repeat. In subset sum problem we need to find a subset of a given set S of n positive integers. These are the n positive integers whose sum is equal to a given positive integer d. D is called as the positive integer. What is the meaning of this one? Here, see, for example, I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the subset I have taken. These are the set of all positive integers, that is n positive integers. Here you have to just find out the sum which is equal to a positive integer d. For example, d is given as 7. You have to just find out which are all the numbers which will give you this 7. Okay, first I'll take only one digit. Only one digit means 7. 7 is present means you have to consider 7 also. Next, I'll consider two digits. See, 6 plus 1, it is 7. So 6, 1 I'll write. Then is 6 plus 2? No. 6 plus 3? No. These are all no. 5 plus 1 is 6, but 5 plus 2 is 7. So I'll write 5, 2. These subsets, these are all subsets of this S, is it not? What do you mean by a subset? The numbers which are present in S, which is called as a subset, is it not? So D is equals to 7 means the subsets what I am considering from the main set S, it has to give the sum 7. So 6 plus 1 will give you some 7, 5 plus 2 will give you some 7, then 5 plus 3, 5 plus 4, no, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 7 also, no. Then next I'll go to 4. 4 plus 1, it is 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 3, it is 7. So 4, 3 I will take. Next 3 plus 2, no. 3 plus 1, no. Now 2 digit numbers are done. Now you have to check if we add 3 numbers, then will it give 7? Yes. So I'll just check now. I'll just write over here. Then 7 already I have taken. 6 plus 1, this is the only possibility I have already taken. Then 5 plus 1 is 6, but plus 1 again you cannot do. One number only once you have to consider. 5 plus 2, it is already done. Then here 4 plus 2 plus 1, can I write? Yes. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. See, 4 plus 2 plus 1. 6, 7. It is giving you 7. Yes. Then any other possibility? 3 plus 2 plus 1, it is 6. No. Then 4 plus 3, it is 7. Then 4 plus 2 plus 1, it is already done. 5 plus 2, it is already done. Then 6 plus 1, it is already done. Yes, these are the possibilities. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 subsets which give you the sum 7 from this set. Yes. Okay. This is your subset sum problem. Why the name subset sum problem? The set S is given. For this set, first we need to find out the subset. That subset should satisfy the condition that it should be the sum of this positive integer d. Whatever the numbers you take, the subsets you take, all the numbers, the sum of all the numbers should be the sum of your positive integer. Now let me see, here we have so many things, is it not? So now we need to see how you have to solve this using backtracking. Here the root will just always represent you the starting point. Starting point means here I cannot just take any decision about the starting point. Always in subset sum problem we have to start with 0. because you cannot just take either I can take 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, any one number I can take, is it not? Instead of taking any one number, because if you take, for example, one student will take one number, another student will take 3, another student will start from 7, so you will get different answers. So what we have to do is, the root node we have to just take with no decision, that is 0. You have to always start root node with 0 in subset sum problem, that you have to remember. Then left and right child represent the inclusion and exclusion of this subset. Okay, means whether to add 1 or not, add 2 or not, like that we have to just take. Now we'll take one problem and then apply subset sum problem. See here, it is given S is equals to 3, 5, 6, 7 and D is equals to 15. Apply backtracking to solve the following instance of the subset sum problem with S is equals to 3, 5, 6, 7 and D is equals to 15. Now, if I have given D is equals to 15 and S is equals to 3, 5, 6, 7, then what you have to do? We know always we have to construct the state space tree in subset sum problem. I have just told you before itself, the root node will start with 0. Here you have to just apply the inclusion and exclusion rule for this one. How? See here, the very first digit is what? It is 3. I'll start with 3. Initial condition I have taken 0. We don't have anything in the root node. Then here, how you are going to do means, you have to just write with 3. With the 3 means I'm adding 3 to 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. Then without 3, I'm not adding anything. Inclusion and exclusion. Without adding, what is there? It will remain 0 itself. Without means I'm not adding anything. With means I'm adding 3. 0 plus 3 will give you 3. I'm not adding anything means again 0, you have to write it as it is. Next digit is 5. Now here also you have to just take with 5 and without 5. So next digit I'm taking 5. How will you just write this one? Both the sides, inclusion and exclusion. See, with 5, that is add 5 to 3. How much you'll get? 8. Then here left hand side again without 5. I'm not adding anything to 3. Then it will remain as it is. Why I'm doing like this means, see, for example, in the previous example I have taken 7 itself, is it not? See, 7 was there, D is equals to 7. Even only 7 itself is also the answer. So you have to just apply the inclusion and exclusion technique. Always if you are including means you will not get this one. If you do both inclusion and exclusion, then we will get all the possibilities. So only we have to just do like this. See, here also with 5. With 5 means 0 plus 5 is 5 itself. Then without 5. Without 5 it is 0. It is done. What is the next element? It is 6. We have to get D is equals to 15. At last only we will get the solution for this one. See, with 6. 8 plus 6 is what? It is 14. Next, without 6. Without 6 what will you get? I'm not adding anything. 8 remains as it is. Okay. Here with 6. 6 plus 3 it is 9. I'll just write WO. Without 6 it will remain 3 itself. Is it not? Yes. And here I'll take with 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then without 6 it is 5 itself. Then here with 6, 0 plus 6 it is 6. Without 6 it is 0 itself. Next, still one more number is there. You have to just do this and then we have to get the solution for this one. Okay, yes. Next, with 7, 14 plus 7 is what? 21. Then without 7 it is 14, because I'm not adding 7 to that. With the 7, 8 plus 7 is 15. Without 7 it is 8 itself. Then with 7, 9 plus 7 it is how much? 16. Then without 7 it is 9 itself. Yes. Then with the 7 it is 10. Without 7 it is 3 itself. Then with the 7, 11 plus 7 it is 18. Then without 7 it is 11 itself. Then with 7, 7 plus 5 it is 12. Without 7 it is 5 itself. Then here with the 7, 7 plus 6 it is 13. Without 7 it is 6 itself. Then here with the 7 it is 7. Without 7 it is 0 itself. So this is the final. Here no other elements are there, so I'll stop here. What is the solution? D is equals to 15. Which among this is giving you 15? Is this? No. No. This is giving? No. All others are not giving any solutions. So what is the final solution here? See here how I am coming. With 3, then with 5, then with 6, and then with 7. Is it not? This is the way I am coming. So you have to just write this one. I am starting with 3. Yes. So 3. With 5. Yes. So with 5, 5. Then here this is without 6. Without 6. Without 6. You should not consider anything. Without means you should not consider anything. Then with 7. So you have to consider 7. So S is equals to 3, 5 and then 7. This is the solution. This is the only solution we have for subset sum problem. See, D is equals to 15. Here also it is giving 15. 15 how you have to find out? From 0 you have to start. Here the path you have to trace. If it is with, then you have to take. Without means it is 0. You should not consider that one. So 3, 5, 7. See, 7 plus 3 is